Hello traders, the title of this video is how to use Fibonacci retracement to pinpoint bullish stocks like a pro. How to use Fibonacci retracement to pinpoint bullish stocks like a pro. All right. Before we continue, I will tell you one story is that when I start trading first, all right, and I was using Fibonacci retracement, 50%, 61.8%, 78%, all right. I do not understand, all right, the Fibonacci retracement. But suddenly, it became clear to me that the 50% Fibonacci retracement level divide the price action into two zones. The zone above the 50% level is the bullish zone, and the zone below that 50% level is the bearish zone. From that point onward, I was able to use the Fibonacci retracement level like a pro. But before that, all I was doing, I was using Fibonacci for like a gambling, all right? So price pull back to 38.2%, I want to buy. Price pull back to 50%, I want to buy. Price pull back to 61.8%, I want to buy. Price pull back to 78%, I want to buy. Price pull back to 88.6% Fibonacci retracement level, I want to buy. But I didn't get the message. All right. The message was clear to me at the time when I understand that the 50% Fibonacci retracement level is the thin dividing line between the bullish zone and the bearish zone. It became clear to me, and I was able to use the Fibonacci retracement more accurately. Today, I want to share with you how one can use the Fibonacci retracement level to pinpoint bullish stocks like a pro. All right. So what are we looking for? That's a very important question. We want a financial. So if a financial instrument goes down, it's bearish. It's displaying lower lows, lower high, it's bearish. When do we know that that bearish stock is now bullish? All right. So stock goes up, stock goes down, stock goes up, stock goes down. When do we know that a stock is now bullish or when a stock is now bearish? All right. So for this tutorial, we want to know when the stock is now bullish. So because the stock is going down for some time, some smart traders may know that it's oversold and will buy, all right, using, for instance, a chart pattern, the double bottom chart pattern. So price going down, display lower lows, lower high. If you fail to display a new lower low, it's telling us that the bearish momentum is diminishing, all right. But if the price form a double bottom chart pattern followed by a higher low, that higher low is a high probability trading setup. And there was one here. So as you can see here on this chart, we are looking at UAL. That's UAL is stock that is listed on the S&P 500. It's American stock. All right. United Continental Holding. That's the EPIC UAL, Uniform Alpha Lima. As you can see here, the stock was going down, all right, display lower lows, lower high in 2008, and now it formed a double bottom pattern followed by a higher low. This higher low is a high probability trading setup. I said it before, I hope you will remember that this is a high probability trading setup. A double bottom followed by higher low is a high probability trading setup. But the stock will only become truly bullish if it finds support or start displaying higher lows above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So you can see here that the financial instrument was going down from here, okay, all the way down to this point where it formed the double bottom chart pattern. All right. Okay, and then from there onward, it formed the first higher low above the double bottom chart pattern. That's higher low. It's a high probability trading setup. But the stock, we can declare that United Continental Holding is now bullish as it found a support above the 50% level. But before that, we cannot say that because the dominant fall as the price was going down, the market was saturated, okay, by the bearish traders. So the stock that was bearish before, that everybody was selling before, will only become bullish if the price start displaying higher lows, higher high, above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the prior bearish trend. This is how one can use Fibonacci retracement level to pinpoint bullish stock without looking at the fundamentals. All right. So now here we are. At this point in time, we see that the stock found a support here. Okay. And went up display a higher low. Here it becomes clear. Now you form another higher low here. At this point in time, it's clear to us that this stock is now bullish. One should avoid selling it. So as we see like this, we implement a top-down trading method to trade it. Now we have again a double bottom chart pattern above, okay, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So what I will say to trader at this point in time, any bullish chart pattern above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level is usually a high probability trading setup. So we see a double bottom, price finally breaks above that critical 50% level, now form a bullish chart pattern. That bullish chart pattern is a high probability trading setup. This is how one can use Fibonacci retracement level or the 50% Fibonacci retracement level to pinpoint bullish stocks like a pro. You know, a lot of traders do not know this, or maybe they know it, but they don't understand it, because when the stock goes down like this, all right, it's not bullish until it crosses that 50% level, because that 50% level is the thin dividing line between the bullish zone and the bearish zone. And the bearish trader, you can see here, as the price reaches this level, the bearish sellers know that and they sold it again. But as the price came down, the price formed a bullish chart pattern. A double bottom followed by another double bottom. You don't need anybody else for permission. It's going to go up. We found support. A double bottom above the 50% level is a high probability trading setup. This is about how to use a Fibonacci retracement level to pinpoint bullish stock like a pro. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. Alright? We are the GSTW24 traders talking about how to use Fibonacci retracement level to pinpoint bullish stocks like a pro. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.